A tripod. Lego. Don't knock the tripod, I swear. Woo! Yeah, we did something. Maybe. Cool stuff. Enthusiasm, yay. The determination of things. So currently it's Bo and Steve running it because they're the ones who took most part in building it. Still, really, sadness. It's still live, there's no one watching the stream. I would think at least someone would
Steven, Bo, you guys did, you have to place the arm up alive. I'm watching the camera, I'm a camera girl.
I put a comment in just to feel happy about myself.
Good job, Bo.
It's not Boba. They say it's supposed to. They say it's really fragile in one of the updates. They say it's understood. No, that's it. Do we have like 30 seconds? That's it. As this was a scrimmage, we had a lot of excess time at the end of our robot runs, which made us realize we need more missions, and we also had a few flaws in our programming, but luckily that was the purpose of the scrimmage, to find the flaws and fix them up. Now on to robot run number 2. We scored 75 on the first run. Robot run 2 about to start now.
Are you ready?
Yeah! We're still in third. See if we can improve our score here. Oh no! There's one touch. Yeah, there you go, you got it. Go to the second. Thank you for that. Thank you. Your arm's getting in the way. Oh. Thanks. Thank you, sir. Stop getting in the way, god dang it. Arm on the ground. No. Major. How's that angle look, Chan? Good. Click on it, click it. Nope, click the button now. Emo 4. Wait, what did you do? I thought we had a combined mission. It's all one by. Evil.
What's evil?
Everything.
True. Including my teachers. Alright, so the robot's right there, if you can't see it.
No. Stop. Oh, okay. Mom joined.
It has to be higher up.
No, there's someone in there now. Marianne, stop putting your finger in the camera.
Hi.
Yeah, now I have one viewer.
Is it your mom?
It's my mom.
At
Shut
least you
up.
got one.
Shut up. We had no one in the first round. What time?
I call that the top.
Here we go, the monkey engine. Are you ready?
Oh shoot. It's right in front of you.
Can you zoom in?
Yeah, you turn the thing there. Turn that dial up on top. No, that. Yeah, you to the right. Oh. It went. Yeah. It's not with a PH, it's with a V.
Lots of time.
It's with a V, not a PH. My mom just spelled Steven's name with a PH and not a V. Look. And that. Sounds like fun.
I think your team has already been told, but you know started in base.
You retold that first match.
It's a common thing. I feel like a lot of teams aren't catching that.
Is it new this year or has it always been, yeah?
There's been, most years there's a height limit on starting, launching. I think what's part of the problem is it's in launching instead of associated with the base rule. I kind of feel that's part of why people are missing it.
Alright. Aside from maybe
1 minute here.
Hey, but your
Dad,
delivery of
Dad,
the
come here.
has been pretty reliable. Other
Take
teams
that.
have really struggled with that.
Blame your expectation.
Do the chant for about like 5 seconds and now we're done.
That's where I'm about to have a heart attack.
Oh,
it looks bad.
can't see.
Can you make it, Mo?
Yeah, I made it. Chair, they did it. Careful there.
And we've got white.
Oh, the lander. 18 seconds slack, that's it. 18 seconds slack that time. Thanks for the like, by the way.